What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. So today I got me a eufy by Anchor RoboVac. This is the 11S model. This one right here is supposed to be like one of the most thinnest one out there, you know, like the size of the robot vacuum. If you have been looking at robot vacuum, a lot of them like comes in various sizes. This one is one of the thinnest one that you can get. Anyway, I don't have a lot of experience with robot vacuum. I've just started to use them. And I totally love them. So this is my second one. I want to unbox this today, test it out, see how it works and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and do it. So the other one that I have, which is sleeping right now, is a Shark vacuum. And I totally love it. It's I got it programmed now to where, you know, it just automatically does it when I'm not at home. Oh wow. Okay, so look at this. Pretty thin, but the weight though is about the same as my big Shark vacuum. See this? Yeah, it's pretty thin. And it doesn't have those big old sensor up on the top. That's one thing I noticed. So in the box, you got a bunch of little accessories here. Let me see. There's some attachment for, I know what these are. I mean, these are the cleaning feet. So got those. I'm not sure why there's a little like knife or letter opener over here, but there's some cleaning tool over here too. And then also, yeah, there's 4 of these brush feet. And there's a remote which comes with batteries already. And this is the little dock that it comes in. Oh, also filter, nice. Let's go ahead and put this together. Okay, so what it rolls onto on the dock is like this right here. There's some, I guess, sensors that tell it that, hey, I am docked. Not sure what is up here though. So in the back right here where the plug is, there's some cable management right there. I think, yeah, that's pretty cool. Some cable management going on there. I think I need to attach the feet since there are feet here. These are the side brush. That's it. I just snap it on. That's easy, right? Okay, so it looks like there's only 2 side brush, but they gave me 4, so I don't need these at all. So let's look at the bottom real quick. You can see at the bottom here that there's like a battery. I guess you can change out the battery on this thing. That's pretty cool. And this is what the robot is going to be able to spin and turn and stuff like that. And then there are sensors here, which I'm pretty sure those 2 sensors right there contacts these sensors to say that, hey, this thing is docked. So that's pretty cool. And then there's a power button right here, which okay, that's pretty cool. So they cover the power button with a little elastic plastic here, so you can just flip it on. There we go. Oh, okay. Well, obviously when you're doing trash stuff, right, you want to be able to here we go. So this is the trash bin right here, where all the dust and stuff's gonna get collected. That's pretty easy. There is a little filter right here. You move this little filter on top and you swap it out. They gave you an extra filter. So it actually tells you the time right here as soon as I plug the battery in. So as soon as I make contact, it knows. I have a feeling it's gonna try to clean my table, so I need to remove everything here. Hit the buttons. Whoop. Okay, so it looks like the sensor, it knows. Okay. To turn things around and starts cleaning. Probably not a good idea to do this on the table. Can I say, okay, so since it's out of its dock right now, I'm gonna put the dock over here. So now I'm calling it home. Let's see if it finds its way home. Yeah, it's doing it. There's a few different modes that you can tell it, you know, to just start cleaning around and all that good stuff. So let me see if I can just tell it to start. Okay, so it's gonna go out. Then I'm gonna stop it real quick. Okay, now I'm gonna stop it, but let me see here. If I were to move the dock, let's say I were to move the dock over here. Let's see what it would do. I'm gonna press home now. Will it go back to this area or the actual dock? Oh, see, it knows not to fall off the table. I'm happy about that. So it knows where the dock is. The dock's calling it. So you can move the dock and just call it home. So the one thing I do know about this is that it doesn't fall off of stairs for sure, because when it got to the edge of the table, it knew right away to stop and turn the other way. For some reason, it doesn't know that there's a bunch of object in front of it, and it was just plowing through it. So in terms of that sensor, I'm not sure if that's going or not. Maybe because I was just telling it to like just start cleaning. Don't know. Pretty cool with the whole home button. You can literally just call it back home whenever you want to, like right now. Just go back home. And cleaning at the same time. I had some dust right there. Thank you for cleaning that. And yeah, it's charging right now with the red light blinking right there. So with that being said, I'm glad that the charging is that way. Now I can just remove this. And I got me some dust in the pan here. So there you go, guys. That's the eufy RoboVac 11S super thin robot vacuum. If you want a no-nonsense robot vacuum, this is it for you. Comes with a remote, press a button, it cleans, press another button, it just comes back home. Super easy. Anyway, that's it for me right there. I am out of here. Have a good one. Bye-bye.